We are Genesis AiX. We are building the missing governance layer for AI-assisted work. This is not merely AI memory. It is governed continuity. We provide the infrastructure that ensures trust and control in an increasingly autonomous world. We are creating the foundational layer for all future AI-driven operations. AI tools accelerate work, but they inherently break continuity. Project state fragments across disparate systems, leading to lost context and fractured workflows. Requirements drift from live code. Prompts mutate without lineage, and tool calls occur without bounded authority. This is not a theoretical concern. It is an operational reality that erodes trust and incurs significant costs for organizations today. The core issue is that recall is not governance. Existing AI tools can summarize, retrieve, and automate, but they lack the mechanisms for true control. They do not enforce admissibility before execution. They do not preserve prompt lineage end-to-end, and they do not bind actions to authority or produce replayable execution receipts. The gap between AI's generative capability and operational control is where continuity breaks down. Genesis AiX is designed to bridge this critical gap. Genesis AiX introduces governed continuity. Our first product, Governed Project Memory, provides a governance-first layer for all AI-assisted project work. It ensures every operator request is traceable, every memory object has provenance, and every action is bounded by authority. We achieve this through 5 integrated capability pillars: intent capture, governed memory, authority and admissibility, prompt protection, and governed execution. The outcome is a trustworthy chain from intent to durable memory, ensuring traceability and verifiable execution. GPM is the first market-facing suite built from our LifeStack architecture. It begins with sopranos, capturing and normalizing operator intent. This intent then passes through CSAA, our fail-closed admissibility gate, ensuring all actions are authorized. The governed memory core stores and manages all project memory with immutable provenance. Prompt protection wraps and secures every prompt, and the API bridge ensures bounded, receipted execution to external targets. Every operation produces an immutable record. Every memory object carries provenance. While the previous slide showed a pipeline, the reality is more profound. GPM is a mesh. The 5 modules are not isolated components. They form an interconnected fabric where every data flow is governed.
Supranus capturas intent.
CSAA applies authority. The governed memory core stores and retrieves. Prompt protection wraps and secures. And the API bridge executes. But here is the critical insight. Any module can reach any other module through governed channels. This is not a linear flow. It is a dynamic mesh. This architecture allows us to answer the 6 core operator questions. What happened? Under whose authority? From which requirement? Through which prompt? With what outcome? And can it be replayed? Our approach is not just a set of features. It is an architectural moat. We govern the execution path itself, not merely the output of a model. We enforce admissibility before execution. Nothing proceeds without explicit authorization. We ensure prompt lineage preservation, wrapping every prompt in a tamper-evident envelope. Our governed semantic memory ensures every piece of project memory is trustworthy. We link requirements directly to code. Every external call generates a replayable, cryptographically verifiable execution receipt. And authority bindings can be revoked instantly. These properties are structural. They cannot be bolted on later. This is not a prototype. It is a formally specified governance architecture. We have defined 52 formal shell statements across 8 components. These are traceable to the LifeStack canonical spine, ensuring enterprise and defense-grade rigor. Our safety and security sections cover critical vulnerabilities, prompt injection, privilege escalation, and replay attacks. We have also defined 8 canonical objects. From the intent object to the execution receipt, these are the atomic units of governed continuity. This formal specification provides a clear path to implementation and certification. Our Rev 1 product is designed for founders and operators. It addresses immediate, tangible pain points. We provide a single canonical repository for file truth and repo truth, eliminating fragmentation. We freeze requirements into a stable spine. This enables bidirectional code-to-requirements traceability with operator confirmation. GPM ensures governed handoff between sessions, maintaining continuity, and it provides bounded delegation to external tools and models. Our MVP workstreams are tightly scoped with explicit decision gates. No track begins until the prior gate is passed. We are starting where continuity failure is already expensive. Our initial buyers are founder-led technical ventures, advanced product and architecture teams, and those engaged in multi-agent development workflows. These are high-trust environments where the cost of fragmentation is immediately felt. Our expansion paths are significant. The same underlying substrate will serve enterprise governance, regulated industries like healthcare and finance, and high-consequence autonomous systems. These markets require governance by regulation, not just by preference. AI capability is accelerating faster than our operational control. This creates a growing governance gap. More agents operating simultaneously, more tool use and delegated execution, more context fragmentation across platforms, and increasing compliance pressure. Every organization will soon need to answer fundamental questions. What happened? Under whose authority? From which requirement? Through which prompt? With what outcome? Genesis AiX provides the infrastructure to answer those questions definitively. We are building deployable governance infrastructure. Our model reflects the foundational nature of our offering. We commercialize through design partner deployments and licenses for the GPM suite. We then expand with premium modules and enterprise integrations. Our 6 to 9 month path is deliberate. It moves from Rev 1 deployment to design partner feedback, then packaging, and finally Rev 2 expansion. Each phase builds on the last, ensuring operational proof and market readiness. Our competitive advantage is not incremental. It is architectural, operational, and IP-driven. Architecturally, we have a governance-first runtime model. Admissibility and provenance are built into the execution path. Operationally, we have 52 formal requirements and 8 canonical objects. This is a specified, testable system. And our intellectual property, the LifeStack canonical spine and fail-closed admissibility model, provides strong differentiation. Generic AI memory tools store what happened. Genesis AiX governs what is permitted to happen, and proves it afterward. We are raising capital to commercialize Rev 1. This funding will support productization of the GPM suite. It will enable pilot-ready deployment infrastructure and core integrations. We will refine UX and packaging, and onboard our design partners. Genesis AiX is building the governance layer that intelligent systems will eventually require by default. The question is not whether this infrastructure will exist. It is who builds it first. We intend to be that builder.